Hello my rider brothers and sisters, welcome back to Riding in DNA. This is my bike, but the ride is not gonna be on this bike. It's gonna be on that bike. That's Suraj's new Aprilia Tuono, and I'm gonna ride the Tuono for the very first time. And here is the Tuono. This is the first time in my life I'm gonna ride a Tuono. Wish me luck, and let's see how it goes. This is pretty much stock. It has a stock headers, a stock exhaust and everything. How are you, brother?
Good, buddy.
So I'm gonna ride this bike on my blue suit. It's gonna look odd. Oh, nice display. Can you move your bike?
Brand new bike, no?
Nice, his bike.
Brand new.
It's different. Let me first check the sitting posture. The tank is very lean. Oh, I've never felt a tank like this before.
Go forward a little bit and then back up.
Oh yeah, I can get out now. How to turn this on? Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, now. Oh yeah. This bike is too big for me. One down, rest up. Okay, down, up. Now the problem is my bike has GP shift and I'm used to it, and this has a normal shift. Whoa, the brake is amazing. Wow, it's way better than my bike. The tank is extremely narrow. Now I know why people feel so confident on their bikes while riding fast. The brake is amazing. I have some problem on my Suzuki's brake. I'm pretty sure I have to show the showroom. Oh, it's so narrow between the legs. My legs don't touch the tank. Okay, this feel is a little different than what I felt till date. Oh, the brake is freaking amazing. Oh my god! Oh, it's so easy to lean. Oh, holy moly! Because there is nothing at the front, right? So it's so light. Oh my goodness! I'll take a U-turn from here. Whoa! This is like, oh my god! It feels like I'm not doing the cornering. It's doing by itself. It's a nice bike. Oh, the rear brake is good too. On my bike there is absolutely no rear brake. On this bike the rear brake is really good. Look at the brake. It's really good. I love this brake. I don't know how many times I've told, but I'm just loving this brake. The feel of riding this bike is really good. I didn't want to take for a long ride, but for a little spin. The feel is so good. So leaning it's like a piece of cake. It's so easy. As I was saying, this bike is a little tall for me, so I'm somehow reaching the ground. Yeah. Man, this bike is good. Leaning this bike is so easy. Like when you are doing cornering, like going left or right, the leaning is so easy. And there is, like, as you see, there is no fairing, right? The front is light and it's so easy to turn. Oh my god, I never knew that, you know, riding these Tuonos are so fun. This is amazing. Where is Suraj? Suraj, how are you, brother? Suraj, amazing, man. I never knew the biking is so fun.
How's the braking? अब बोल जिक्सर से बैठ रहा है या नहीं है braking?
Thank you so much, brother. Braking, I'm vlogging, and I do not know how many times I have said that braking is like freaking amazing. Suzuki's brake is like bullshit. Now I shifted to this thing, 19 RCS Corsa Cota, still is piece of shit. This one, oh shit, even the rear brake.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Did you try the quick shifter, the pop in the bang? With the stock exhaust. Like,
Quick shifter is better on that one.
really?
Is butter smooth. Here is like when you do shift, maybe, you know, a little bit tuning can make it even better. But man, the first time I tried to lean, I was like riding kind of straight. I was a little left-handed in the beginning. Then when I like lean, what? Leaning is, I'm not doing anything. It's doing by itself. And the front is so light. And here you saw, right, when I came in, I took a right, just to try like how much I can lean. It feels like I'm gonna touch the ground. It's amazing bike, man. If you wanna try out this bike, this Aprilia Tuono, man, definitely try this bike out. It's amazing to ride. It's amazing fun. Alright, my brothers and sisters, thanks for watching the video. Take very good care of your motorcycle, take very good care of your health, and always remember, enjoy the freedom till the time you have it. Take care and bye-bye.